Welcome to Wildrose Media's craft tutorial for the Patriotic Stars wall hanging kit. Empty the contents of your kit onto your work surface. Inside the kit you'll find 3 stars, a dowel with jute attached, a paintbrush, and a wooden stick. Be careful with the wooden stick, it's very pointy and it's only to be used by grown-ups. We'll also be using the red, white, and blue paint from the summer box. You'll also want to get a container with some water in it to rinse your paintbrush. I'm going to protect my work surface with a flexible cutting mat. Let's begin with painting the smallest star white. For all 3 stars, you'll paint one side first, let it dry, and then paint the other. Next, we'll paint the medium-sized star red. Rinse your paintbrush and dip it in the red paint, applying a generous amount to one side. Lastly, you'll paint the large star blue. Looks like Leah wants to join us. I guess I forgot to close my office door. Okay, now they're dry, so we're going to paint the other side. By holding it in your hand, you can get the edges a little easier. Especially on the small star, it's hard to get into all the corners. Just be sure to wash your hands in between colors. Okay, I did the red star and now we're doing the blue. Once they're painted, pick it up and examine the edges to make sure you didn't miss anything. Now we're going to attach the stars to the jute. For this step, you'll need to have a grown-up help you, as we'll be using the sharp wood poker. Each star has a hole drilled through one of its points. We'll begin with the red star and we'll tie it to the far right jute string. Poke the jute through the hole, tying it in a knot at the top. can be a little tricky, and if you can't poke it through the hole, you can try trimming it off like I did, or using the wooden tool to poke it through the hole. I'll show you that next. If the jute is frayed, it's best to cut it off and get a clean end. This hole was not poked all the way through, so I'm taking my sharp tool and poking the hole. I put the jute over the hole, then I took the pointy end of the wood tool and placed it on the jute and poked both the tool and the jute through the hole. Tie it in a knot at the top and cut off the excess jute. The smallest star will go in the center string. Use the tool to clear the hole and poke the jute through, tying it at the top. When you are finished with this craft, be sure to throw away the wooden stick so nobody gets injured. Once it's completely dry, you can hang it on the wall. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and share. Thanks for watching.